the type of product that you could have in your business is in-person workshops or training days. Now, these usually, again, vary dramatically depending on what you're teaching, who's teaching it. But at the moment, I'm giving you very general, generic, average market pricing, just to give you rough ideas. Roughly speaking, if you were to go onto Eventbrite, for instance, and just take a look at other workshops in your topic, half day to full day workshops are tending to average under $500. And keep that in mind if you live in a city and you're lucky enough to live in a high population area, you might want to consider delivering these half day or full day workshops in your topic, using Eventbrite to get seen by people in your locality. It's amazing how many new people can come into your sphere of influence when you're running these small. Anything under $500 tends to be the norm. Now, I'm not saying again that has to be your pricing, just letting you know. And you can see that for yourself when you go and check out Eventbrite for those in-person type workshops. Now, some people find that the expense, the organizing, the logistics of running in-person workshops is far more in excess of what they feel is worth it. You could also consider running those half day or full day type trainings online. When you're doing that, you're going to be opening up the training to a lot more people because it's not going to be dependent or restricted by the geographical location that you're in. But also you don't have the overheads of hiring the venue and the catering and everything for your in-person workshops as you would if you were doing it online.